K4 is equal to, sorry, L3 is equal to h into pi of x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k2 by 2 z naught plus L2 by 2. 0.1 into pi of same coefficients 0.05, 2.0425, 0.79238. L3 is equal to 0.1 into x 0.05 minus y square 2.0425 whole square. We got L3 is equal to minus 0.4122 minus 0.4122. K4 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h y naught plus k3 z naught plus L3. So K3 is equal to 0.1 into f of x naught plus h 0 plus 0.1 y naught 2 plus K3 0.2 K3 0 8 4 2 3 8 z naught 1 minus L3 0.41 L3 0.4122. K3 is equal to 0.1 into f of 0.1. Sorry, K4, not K3, K4. So K4 is equal to 0.1 into x 0.1 plus z 0.5878. 0.06878. So K4 is equal to 0.06878. L4 is equal to h into pi of x naught plus h, y naught plus k3, z naught plus L3. 0.1 into pi of 0.1, 2.0842338, 0.5878. So 0.1 into L4 0.1 into x minus y square 0.1 minus 2.084238 whole square minus 0.4244. L4 is equal to minus 0.4244. Therefore, y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So y1 is equal to y0 is 2 plus 1 by 6 into k1 0.1 plus 2k2 2 into 0.085 plus 2k3 2 into 0.084238 plus k4 0.06878. So y1 is equal to 2.0845. And Z1 is equal to Z0 plus 1 by 6 into L1 plus 2L2 plus 2L3 plus L4. So Z1 is equal, Z0 is 1 plus 1 by 6 into L1 minus 0.4. L2 minus 0.41525. Minus 2 into 0.4122. Minus L4 plus L4 means minus 0.4244. Z1 is equal to 0.5868. Hence, y1 is equal to y of x1 is equal to y of 0.1 is equal to 2.0845. And Z1 is equal to Z of x1 is equal to Z of 0.1 is equal to 0.5868. Compare Ankuta method values with previous method values, Picard's method and Taylor series. Comparison for y1. Y of x1. Y of 0.1. Z1. Z of x1. Z of 0.1. This is additional concept. Y of 0.1 or y1. First, Picard's method. Taylor series method. Third, RK method. Z1, Z of 0.1. In Picard's method, what is y1 value? In RK method, 2.0845, 0.5868. Picard's method, what is y of 0.1?
2.085.
2.085, amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Z1 value?
0.583.
583. Taylor series method, amma?
0.284.
0. Taylor series, amma? 2.0.
8491.
8491. Okay. This is 0.5.
586785.
678. Okay. Very good. So Taylor series RK methods. So their values are almost equal. 2.08491, 2.0845. Here 0.58678, 0.5868. So the approximate values of y at x is equal to x1 for Taylor series and RK methods are approximately same. Similarly, find y2, z2 and compare Taylor series and RK method values. Similarly, find y of 0.2 or y2, y of x2, y of 0.2 and z2, z of x2, z of 0.2 and compare with Taylor series method. Values of y of 0.1 or 0.2 and z of 0.2. Tell me.
Example, they asked like find both 0.1 and 0.20.
Ekkada?
Examples were like x1 and x2 also confirmed around y1 and y2.
Next word find out y of 0.2, z of 0.2, y of x2, z of x2, y2, z2. Same. Apply this for y2 is equal to y1 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4, k1, k2, l1, l2. Using these coefficients, find y2 and z2.
It's like same question like 0.1.
Same question. Same question. Find y of 0.1, y of 0.2, z of 0.1, z of 0.2 from the initial value problems.
Okay,
ఓకేనా ఇప్పుడు మనం y of 0.1, z of 0.2 క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఫైండ్ y of 0.2, z of 0.2. ఓకేనా ఫర్ ద సేమ్ ఇనిషియల్ వాల్యూ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. Okay, I'm closing the session. Thank you one and all.